Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to the auction of this amazing Teutonic V12 beast, a 1999 Mercedes Benz CL600 owned by our client for the past 22 years. He's taken amazing care of it. We have a service folder several inches thick. It originally sold on BAT back in 2022, but after the buyer had an emergency in the family, our client happily kept it. We'll tell you all about it after we do a cold start and take it for a quick drive. This 1999 Mercedes Benz CL600 is now available on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. This will be going home with the highest bidder. As a reminder, our client purchased it from Modesto Mercedes-Benz back in 2003. They loved how smooth and powerful that 6.0-liter V12 engine is. It was also quiet inside due to that innovative dual-pane window construction. This was the height of success back in 1999, and it still commands respect today. It's been extremely well looked after. Don't let this one slip through your fingers. For more information, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.